ticker symbol GDXJ. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are slightly in negative MACD. We have yet to close above the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $46.96. With the 4-hour chart, we remain in negative MACD, but we're seeing signs of a converge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD, seeing signs of a converge there too. As with the trade idea, my position size is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $43.13. My sell target is at $47.49. And my stop loss is at $41.29. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $47.97, and that is this range here. My sell target for it is at $45.07, and my stop loss is at $48.48. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below, so do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day, or week of trading, gold miners has a 60% chance to climb between 0 to 5%, a 20% chance to climb between 5 to 11%. To the downside, has a 20% chance to fall between 0 to negative 5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.